Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I have got Mellisa in the kitchen, Mellisa Thompson, who is an amazing cook, food writer, award winning food writer, by the way,
Also award winning.
author to this stunning book, MotherLand. If you have seen my last episode, then you would have seen that Mellisa cooked us a delicious jerk chicken. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
But we need something to eat with the jerk chicken. So I have requested Mellisa if she could cook us this lovely rice and peas from her book as well. So are you happy to do that?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
How important is this dish in Jamaican culture?
Oh, it's so important. It's,
Really?
yeah. So it's so important, especially kind of having it. I think that traditionally you'd often have it on the weekend on Sunday, and a lot of people will still have it on Sunday. But it's just, I mean, it's like the perfect accompaniment because it's a tasty rice anyway, and then when you've got it with other things, it just kind of
Yeah.
really rounds off a meal. It's incredible.
So would people eat this just on its own?
No. So you would have it with other things,
Okay.
but it's just. I mean, because you've got all the kind of the I was going to say the Holy Trinity, but there's sort of like four things, right? The Scotch bonnet, the spring onion, you've got the thyme, the garlic, and it's just and then obviously you've got the beans. So we're going to use kidney peas. Like traditionally, you'd use gunga peas,
Okay.
but then kidney beans gives it that lovely like kind
Colour?
of red colour.
Okay.
And so my grandma would only ever use kidney beans, and so kind of like the proper and use all of it, use all the liquid that it comes with to make
Yeah.
sure you get that flavour. Yeah,
Oh my God, very exciting. Okay, I'm going to go behind the camera and let Mellisa cook.
nice.
So you're starting with 3 spring onions?
Yes,
Just finely chopped.
yes.
Okay.
But if I'm having like curry chicken, I'd have it with rice and peas. If I'm having it with jerk chicken, I have it with rice and peas. Yeah, but sometimes like in the summer, if I'm making jerk chicken, I'll just have it like maybe with some dumpling, like the festival dumpling, slightly sweet, and a bit of a salad and a bit less rice. You know, you can make jerk chicken and chips if you really want to. But yeah, like I mean, your rice and peas is like a kind of classic staple.
So we have some fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet, some garlic cloves, and using the red kidney beans.
Yeah.
So we've got spring onions, garlic, and that's it to begin with.
Yeah, to begin with, and I'm not really gonna. I'm gonna get going with the rice pretty much straight away.
Okay.
I don't really want any colour on this. So in with the pimento, there, thyme. And then, with the rice that you've so lovingly.
Also, what about Scotch bonnet? Goes whole.
Yes. Yeah, because it's just like so you just get the fragrance. It's not really for
Spice.
yeah, it's not really for heat.
So that is 300 grams of. We using basmati rice, but they can use whole grain rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, long
Grain or whole grain. Do you ever use brown basmati? No.
I really want to start using it. So a teaspoon of salt, you think?
Yeah, maybe like a couple of teaspoons.
Okay.
And about half a tin of this. Just for like, thank you.
It's got a lovely aroma already.
Yeah.
And then we add the 400 grams tin of red kidney beans
Yeah.
with the liquid.
With the liquid.
So you're not measuring any amount of liquid? With the
No, I mean,
rice?
but what I will do, I would do it by, eventually do it by eye, right?
Oh.
And
I've never cooked like rice like that.
so how do you cook? Right, you always measure it.
So I do 2 ways. One way is I drain off the excess water.
Oh.
And the second is where you do measure the rice and then measure the water. So then all the water is absorbed.
Oh, interesting.
So you're adding more liquid to
Yeah, just to get that like the last little dregs. Just because you want that colour.
Oh, I see. Beautiful.
whack that in there. And if you want, you can pierce it as well. So kind of you'll get a bit more heat. Okay. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And then...
So how long?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay. And you won't open it at all in between?
No, I mean, you can do.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you lenient with rice? So Mellisa is being really lenient with rice, and she said 25 minutes. And obviously, if you've been following my recipes, I'm like strict 15 minutes. Don't open the lid for another 15 minutes. Yeah. So this.
Yeah. So it sort of steams afterwards. Yeah. Totally. And what I might do is when it's done. I mean, I said like half an hour. Like I'll cook it until it's done, but I probably would leave it for at least 20 minutes. I'm bringing it to the boil now. And then I'll just and then leave it for 20 minutes, and then after that I'll probably like fluff it up, put the lid back on, and then leave it to chill for until it's ready, until like we're ready to eat it.
So are you going to lower the heat now? No.
Yeah, once it's properly boiling.
Okay.
Yeah. Is this making you nervous?
No.
Yes, I'll turn it down now.
So once it gets to really boiling.
Yes.
Okay. So Mellisa has moved on, and she's quickly taken over the kitchen. She's doing something else. I have no idea what you started making. So what are you doing now?
All right, so thank you. So I'm going to make like a really quick like jerk sauce, like barbecue sauce, like I'm going to make a really quick jerk gravy to go alongside it.
So will that go on the side of chicken or?
Yeah, all right, over it. On the side of chicken, but then it will like kind of soak into the rice as well.
Yeah.
So this is like leftover marinade.
Yep.
So I'm gonna have a couple of spoonfuls of that.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get that started.
Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you. So I cook this out.
What, 5 minutes?
Yeah, until kind of it's aromatic. Just until things it's like started going. So you can see it's like darkened a little bit, and you can smell it, right? So it's smelling good. And then I'm going to go in with some of this chicken stock.
So do you have any quantities, or do you just go by eye?
Well, I mean, here I'm going by eye, but there is a recipe for this in the book.
Okay. So you've got a tablespoon of corn flour.
Yeah.
Just some cold water.
Yeah, and then just make like a little slurry.
And the sun's come out.
Amazing.
Wow.
It's looking after us, isn't it? I mean, like, check this out. Ah! Wow.
Amazing.
The rain stopped and the sun has come out. Oh my gosh. See, this is what happens if you barbecue in the winter.
I know. Okay, you've sold it to me. Yeah.
If we weren't doing this, it'd be raining right now. Like thunder and lightning probably. So I'm going to put not too much of that in. Right, so that's going to start to thicken up. And then I'm going to go in with some of that barbecue sauce.
Okay.
So yeah, barbecue or ketchup, but obviously if it's barbecue then you get like a bit of the smokiness as well, which is quite nice.
That's 2 tablespoons.
I mean, like it's quite. I mean, it's all quite relaxed, isn't it?
Yeah.
And especially with that book, I like people. I almost want people to use it as a starting off point.
Okay, and then take it on their own.
Yeah. That's good,
Oh, good. Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait for lunch.
That's good. Me neither. I'm really excited. So I'm really happy with that. So, like, sometimes I might add a bit more sugar to it or a bit more vinegar, but I'm well happy.
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my God! Wow.
So I'm gonna turn the heat off.
Off. Okay.
Yeah.
We've got the lovely gravy. Oh my God! This is amazing.
Oh.
Shall we? That is really, by the looks of it, it's got separate grains. It looks perfectly cooked.
And all the gravy as well will go into it, and that'll be delicious. Is that a good amount of rice for you? Happy?
Oh my god!
I hope you like it.
Anyways, I love jerk chicken, but that, watching you make it,
Yeah.
not yeah, hell yeah!
Amazing.
Oh my god, that's so good! That's so good!
Oh, that means the world. I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
Oh, so good. So please check out Melissa's Instagram. Her cooking is amazing. Her recipes. She does do amazing barbecues, I have to say. So she's inspired me to do more barbecues in the winters, which hopefully I will, continue to do that. Yeah.
Barbecues for all around the year, not just for
Christmas?
summer. No, not just for Christmas. Hang on. Barbecues are for Christmas, not just for summer.
Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.